3, 2, 1.
Engine turbo pump at flight speed. Engines at maximum thrust. Lift off.
And there is liftoff of the Soyuz MS-10 to the International Space Station, carrying Nick Hague and Aleksey Ovchinin to the orbital complex. This again is Nick Hague's first time to launch to space, and Aleksey Ovchinin's second.
One copy. Everything is good on board, and we are feeling well. Copy. Burlak 1. Inaudible.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.
11:42:17 failure. 11:42:17 is the time of the failure. F1 on SP is illuminated. Copy.
Today's Soyuz MS-10 launch did go into ballistic re-entry mode a little bit after its launch, around 3:47 a.m. Central Time. That means the crew will not be going to the International Space Station today. Instead, they will be taking a sharp landing, coming back to Earth.
Burlaki launch late.